Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to record now. Open the camera app and swipe to video mode so you don't waste time. Make sure the lens is clean and unobstructed because clarity matters. Check free storage and battery percentage before you press record. Once done, choose orientation, portrait for social clips, landscape for wider scenes, and enable the grid to compose using the rule of thirds. Tap the red record button to begin, speak clearly and hold steady, or set the phone on a stable surface. Now refine image and sound. Tap the subject to set focus, then slide the sun icon to adjust exposure. Lock AE/AF for consistent results when things move. In settings, pick frame rate, 24 for cinematic, 30 for standard, 60 for smooth motion. Select 4K only if you have space. Stabilization helps handheld shots, but use a gimbal or tripod when precise movement is critical. For cleaner dialogue, plug in an external mic. Test audio levels. To finish, tap the red square to stop. Immediately review the clip and use the trim tool in Photos to remove the start or end. Once satisfied, export via share, AirDrop, messages, or mail, and always save the original to iCloud or another backup so you don't lose footage. Make sure to label and organize clips for later editing. If you run into trouble, no sound, sudden stop, or failure to record, check microphone and camera permissions, free up storage, and restart the camera app as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.